local authority had issued an immediate evacuation for the following counties in Tennessee: Shelby County, effective until 8:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Message from Easy Plus. At 7:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a bomb was found at a local Walmart in Shelby County. This bomb was planted by boyfriend and girlfriend, discovered in Nashville 4 days ago. This store was also held hostage at 6:28 p.m. All residents in Shelby County must evacuate immediately. To evacuate, gather 10 to 14 days of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Evacuate out of the county at this point. If you don't evacuate, you will face certain death. If you evacuate in the county, stay in the county for 14 days. Evacuate now. To repeat, evacuate now.